Hey guys, I'm very pleased to share that I partnered up with FXReplay. I've been using FXReplay for I think 2 months now maybe, and I really love it. Before I was backtesting my strategies and like saving screenshots and stuff like that within TradingView. But the thing is, with TradingView, you cannot go back in time like a couple of years. And if you do that, the smaller time frames won't be available, right? There's no data to go to there. So if your entry model also has something like a 1 minute entry, you're not able to test it. So FXReplay covered that problem, and FXReplay actually integrated with TradingView, but has a lot more data available. And you have seen me do a lot of backtesting videos in FXReplay yet on my YouTube channel. But I wanted to go through really quickly what the features are and of course tell you how you can get this tool with a discount right now, because I requested a partnership and they approved of that. So that's really awesome to know. And that means that I can give my following right now a 15% discount on the monthly subscription. So that's substantial. And I think it's one of the tools you need to have in your pocket, right, to become a better trader. Because if you don't journal, or at least don't backtest, journaling I use TradeZella, but for backtesting I use FXReplay. If you don't have the data on your strategy, you don't know what you're doing. And when I look at my journey as a trader, I know that I did not do this, and I have been a lot more unprofitable for a lot of longer time than actually should have been necessary. So, and that's just a waste of time actually. And what I did, and you probably recognize that, you found some strategy, you started applying it, and if you were as stupid as I was, you applied it immediately on a live account, and you were like, wow, why is this not working? So what the thing is with every strategy, it has a certain win rate. But if you don't know what the win rate is or what the high probable conditions are, it's very hard to be consistent at it. So what I've found myself to be doing is coming up with one strategy, doing it for like a week, and I was like, nah, it's not making me big bucks. And then I would quit the strategy. And that's a horrible mindset. That's really a horrible mindset that eventually made me a better trader, but not at first. And I know a lot of people struggle with this. So you need to have the data to become more confident. And I've tested a lot on the LBS strategy I'm using. And I know it can be like 2-3 weeks in a row doing not much. But I also know months where it does 10% or 15% on an account. So you have to know your data over a longer period of time, and at least actually like 100 trades. So you have backtesting data. And that's what FXReplay does really well, because you can add your strategies. And let me show you an example over here. You can add your strategies on the right over here. And then you can just start sessions on a certain pair you want with a certain starting balance. You let the system know what strategy you're using, so the data comes visible here in the analytics of that strategy. And you can just like select time frame, right? You can go to 2022, go back to 2016 if I'm right. And then you can just start a session and start backtesting it. And the really lovely thing about this is that if we go to the features, first of all, it has completely the integration with TradingView. So you can use the annotations you're used to use. So it's not something unfamiliar, right? Besides that, if you use the normal TradingView with the replay function, it doesn't measure your trade, right? And you can also a little bit cheat yourself. And that's a lot harder with this tool. You can, in your account, put the settings to a replay mode where you can still cheat a little bit. But I like to just not do that. So if I missed a trade, or if I didn't see anything that would have been a trade, that's my learning opportunity. So I'm not faking myself. thinking that I would have done that. No, that's not true because I didn't do it now. So you really become aware of your habits. I really love that you can just place let me see where it's at, or if it's, you can just place like the order and you click place order and it just fills out immediately the entry price, your stop price, and your TP. So you don't have to fill this out manually. And I know there is a MetaTrader 5 backtesting tool, but you still have to put in the TP manually, stuff like that. And also they have pre-filled risk, as you can see here in the pop-up, pre-filled risk options. So if you want to risk 0.5, 1%. So it's really, really quick. And I found that it saved me so much time using this tool to backtest. So I really love it. And now I really do it because before I was lazy at backtesting. So this is just awesome. It gives a lot of insights. Of course, you get the statistics and you can see which days are working really, really well. You can also turn on the economic calendar. So if your strategy has one of the rules that you don't trade on a red folder day, no problem. You just put the events on your chart and you can see which events are there for the pair you're trading, for the currency you're trading, or gold or whatever. And then you just see the high impact news and you can skip that in your backtesting. So I really, really love this. And that's why I wanted to partner up, because I think a lot of people can benefit, especially if you had the same kind of issues I had with being a little bit lazy backtesting in a normal TradingView app. So there are already a lot of indicators available. If you have custom indicators, that's a bit hard because they don't allow scripts. However, there are still a lot of indicators available if you use those indicators, and you can trade a lot of pairs. You can even trade the crypto, the Forex, indices, energy. So this is it. It's a simple tool, but it's really powerful to become better in your own edge, in your own concept, your strategy, the method you use, and get it backtested by data. And it also is going to make you more confident taking the trades real time. When you see the trade forming on your charts and you know, I know the data on this strategy and it's okay to risk X amount and lose it, because I know in the end, if I take consistently every trade I see with this strategy, I know the win rate is X and I know it will profit me this in the end. So it will make you more confident, and actually just takes out the emotion, because you just follow your rule set, you place a trade, and then you see the result. And if a strategy has a bad result over maybe a period of a year, then you know I don't ever have to use the strategy again. So it keeps it simple, clear, straightforward. So if you like to use FXReplay and get the discount, make sure you use the link in combination with the coupon code. So the link is in the description, and the coupon code is 5D Universe. So if you use both of those, then you get the 15% on your monthly recurring subscription. So I'm very curious to see if people want to try out this software. So let me know. I would love to hear your strategies or your backtesting, or maybe you backtested the LBS strategy and you got a lot better results. Let me know. So thank you for watching, and bye bye. See you in the next video.